Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we are going to compare the Xiaomi Mi Band 4 versus the Q8S Smart Bracelet. In the left we have the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. As we know, it has a 0.95 inch AMOLED display with a battery with 135 mAh, which it would last in about 20 days. It's water resistant up to 50 meters, and it has activity tracking, health monitoring, and a couple of sensors for these options to be able to use it daily, as it said. So we know the Mi Band 4 has quite a few options to use them. And in the right we have his competition for today, the Q8S Smart Bracelet. This smartwatch supports Android 4.4 and iOS 8.0 and above. It has a 0.96 inch screen. It uses Bluetooth 4.0 and it has a battery with 90 mAh. It will charge in 1.5 hours and it will last around 10 days. The Q8S Smart Bracelet supports different languages, for example Chinese, Russian, Greek, German, Italian, Polish, English, etc. We can see that both of these devices are really good, so now let's go ahead and see what they got. As we know, the Mi Band 4, in the first page it has the time, date, percentage of battery and steps. Next we have status, heart rate, workout. Here in workout we have outdoor run, treadmill, cycling, walking, exercise and pool swimming. We have weather, notifications and more. Here in more we have do not disturb, alarm, music, stopwatch, timer, find device, silent, band display and settings. So as you can see, the Mi Band 4 is very simple but very useful. In the right, as I said, we have his competition for today, the Q8S. In the first page we have the percentage of battery, time and date in the bottom. Next we have training. In training we have run, walk, hike and basketball. So we have 4 different sports. Next we have steps, calories, kilometers, sleep, blood pressure, blood oxygen. We have messages, find phone and power off. So as you can see, same with the Q8S Smart Bracelet, we have enough options to be able to use it daily. So now let's go ahead and test these options and let's see how they do in this test. Now we have here the Mi Band 4. Let's go straight to the heart rate first and let's see the result. As you can see, the final result is here, 82, and it gives you a little vibration to tell you that the result is done. So now let's go to the workout. We have outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, walking, exercise, and pool swimming as we saw before. Let's go to the first one and let's see. We have a countdown with 3 seconds, each second with a little vibration and a big vibration to tell you that now all settings are set up and the testing just began. We have time, distance, pace, heart rate, and zone, and in the top, as you can see, we have the clock. So this was all we can test in the Mi Band 4. So let's go now and test the Q8S and let's see the difference. Now it's time for the Q8S, so let's go. First we have training. We have the first one run, so let's test this. And it gives you that little vibration to tell you that the sport mode just started. We have steps, burn calories, and distance. The minutes are down and the clock is all the way up. So we have quite a few information about the sport, so that's a good thing. So let's go now to the heart rate and let's see the result. We have here the first result, as you can see. And we have the final result with a big vibration to tell you that the test is done. Now let's test the blood oxygen and we will wait for the result. And again with big vibration the result just came, and that little vibration makes all the difference between these smartwatches that use vibration and the others that don't use. So now we have the blood pressure and we will wait for this result as well. As you can see, the final result again with the vibration is here, and we can see all the result without any problem. So now let's go ahead and test the apps that they use, and let's see the options that the apps gives us. Now as you can see, we have both of the apps right here. We have Mi Fit for the Xiaomi Mi Band 4 and we have Fit Cloud for the Q8S. So let's go first with the Mi Fit. And now as we can see, all the data is signing up. In the first page we have status, walking, running and cycling. So these three options, they use GPS. So for example, if you go for a run, walk or cycle, you can see yourself for where are you running, for how long, and all these kind of data will be saved right here in the app. So here in the status we have workout burned calories and how many steps we are near to reach our goal. We have the data for sleep, heart rate, weight and goal tracking. So in the first page we have also three different pages. We have workout, which is this one, we have friends and profile. Here in friends you can add a friend that uses the same app as you. Now we don't have any friends that use this app, so we can just skip this. And here is the profile page. As we can see, we have our name, our picture. You can put every picture that you want. We have the device that is connected right now, and here in more we have set goals, friends, behavior tagging, add account, help, feedback, smart analyze and settings. So this was all of the options from the Mi Fit app. So let's go now to the Fit Cloud. You can register, log in if you have an account. I will just use directly to not lose any time. Let's allow the notifications, and as you can see, here is the first page of Fit Cloud. In the first page we have, in this circle to be exactly, we have the today's data, steps, burn calories and kilometers. Here in the bottom of the circle we have the percentage of how many percent we've done to reach our goal. Here we have the statistic for daily, weekly or monthly. So that's a really good thing to see in this app. In the left top corner we have here the activity. So we have walking, running, hiking. As you can see, the GPS now it's working, and we have the total distance and total activities, so historical record right here. Next we have sleep. In sleep, same, we have the hours of sleep in the circle, deep sleep and light sleep with hours and minutes. We have daily, weekly and monthly statistic for every option. Next we have settings. Here in settings we have the profile, which we can see here. You can change the name and all this kind of information you have to set up for your own personal information. We have bind device, step, goal, notifications, units, alarm, shake, photograph, Google Fit, update, FAQ, about us, suggestion and log out. So if you go one by one, you have plenty of options to do. So you can see both of these apps are really good and very useful and very easy to use. So now we can see, we can choose for our own preference which one is more likely to you. So now we can see how the notification will comes in a second. One by one we will show you the notifications in these devices. First we have the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. As you saw, the notification from Instagram just came. As you can see, the logo of Instagram and the message, you can clear it up or you can read it right here without going in your phone. So now we have to go to the Mi Fit and unpair it. In this way we are able to pair the Q8S, and we can see the notification from that device, so we know both of them really good. After we connected the device with his app, now we can receive the notifications. As you can see from Facebook, the notifications and the message are right here. So guys, this was all for Xiaomi Mi Band 4 versus the Q8S Smart Bracelet. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to comment down below. We will try to reply to you all. And I want to thank you for your time and supporting, and we will see you in the next video.